Creating a responsive website or something that fits all your screen of your website with Wix.com is pretty easy. Wix.com is a builder that builds your site without so much coding and stuff, without so much programming. For example, you can see this is a website we make with the AI of Wix. Here, how you can make it responsive, just check your phone and the PC icon. Here you can check how your website looks on PC and things. How you can make it responsive, just click on a particular element, click on the layout. After that, click on how right, left. This will make your content a little bit responsive. You can scroll down a little bit to check how this is looking. After all this stuff, check if it's gonna work with your way. If it's not gonna work in your way, you can try to change it, tweak it with your own template, as Wix.com provides a lot of template. This is how you can exactly make it responsive. However, Wix websites are already very responsive, but if you want to make it more responsive for more themes, just you can go to the icon of a mobile one. Here you can customize it in your own way by just dropping it and clicking on elements and selecting hide, unhide layers, editor add-ons. So yeah, this is how you can make Wix.com websites a responsive one, and I'll see you in the next one.